Hello everybody. Today I think I need some of your help. If you know it, just let me know. So uh, then I figure out what I'm have to do. This is about my refrigerator. This is the one is I have the light at the coating here is blinking all the time. What I found out is yesterday morning, and it seemed like the refrigerator is running all the time, especially on this side. I heard it's it's running all the time. This side is frozen. This side, and this one is cooler. So I don't know what happened with this one. But the code here they say defrost. I guess there's something wrong with defrost, but I don't know how to fix this. But just let me make sure. I did try to reset the system many times. It's still the same. So I don't know. Here, let me do again so you can see it. This is the system check reset. Okay, what's this? F normal, PF normal, C1 is normal, D is none. It's none. So it's something wrong with the D. So power, freezer, ice maker. Ice maker is normal. Yeah, it's not normal. It says normal here, but it's broken already. It doesn't work. It didn't work for a long time. This is we used this refrigerator probably about a year, a little more than a year. It's more. That's about 2 years, and the ice maker didn't work anymore. I don't know what's going on with this. This is the alarm door. It's not the cube eye. Crushed eye water. I didn't use those for a long time. So if you know how what's wrong with this refrigerator, and just let me know. Also, if you know how to fix it, just you know how to fix this, just let me know. So I can try my own, but it's for the small thing, but the big, I don't think I can do it. But anyway, this is a Kenmore refrigerator. I bought it. It's 21 years. I bought it in 1997, around July 25th to 1997. Today is September 11, 2018. So that's 21 years. That's 21 years old, but it's still good, great. But now they pop up with these. I don't know what to do. And it's running all the time. If I keep like this, it's soon it's gone. It's dead. But also, if I keep like this, I think I have to pay more electricity. Okay, it looks nice. It's a nice refrigerator. We like it. So. You want to see what I have inside? It's a whole bunch of stuff. This side is no meat. I don't store meat in here. I just have fruits, jackfruit, and some kind of desserts. I think this one I think this is a long one, and I think I have mango somewhere. Papaya. This is my coffee, and this is ice pop. It's the frozen water. So when I go somewhere, I took it with me. So like especially in the Florida right now, it's very hot. So I just bring to my car, and then it's melt out, and I drink it. So it's still cold. This is let me see. I forgot. Dragon fruit. And this is a long bean. And I have some beans here too. And yeah, this is a dessert, sweet dessert snack, or it's a snack. It's because it's maker is broken. It doesn't work, so I have to use these for the ice. I have to take out every day to put in here, get the water in here, and this is the ice here, and this is my ice cream, and this is the water. It's a kind of mess here, but yep. And on top here, because ice maker doesn't work, I have a stop on here too. Oh, here, mango. I think mango here, and some longan there, and I think I have something else too. It's this only for the fruits and ice and ice cream, pops and waters. In dessert, that's it. I store the I store meat and poultry in the portable freezer. So, if you know how to, if you know what's wrong with this, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you very much. And if you know some tip how to fix this, please let me know too. Okay, once again, thank you very much. Yeah, it's running. It's still running. Masters usually before it's normal, they running and they stop and probably running back again, but not continually like this. Or inside my house, we have the AC, the air conditioner, running all the time, on all the time. Before, even though when we don't turn on the AC, it's not like this. It's not running all the time like this. It's running and then they stop and then running again. But this time I think it's getting serious. How fast I can fix this? Use for a little bit more because we like this refrigerator. Also, we you know why? Because if your refrigerator it's not working, you run out to buy the new one. It's not great, not good, because we need some time to searching for the nice one, good one, great deal. Great deal is number one. Because most of the time you see this refrigerator they sell is very expensive, but when they have a deal, that's the customer half price. And depend on we have to search around too. So I hope it's something we can fix it so it's work for a little bit time so we can search. I know it's 21 years. This is kind of old, but this one You won't probably, I tell you. This one we bought is 97 in 1997. It's $1,700 something like that. We bought from Sia. Yep, see now some of them closed. So okay, thank you for watching my video, and thank you in advance for anything. If you know something, that tell me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you next video. And this side, I have something here, but it's not look nice in there. I don't want to show you because I need to clean up. When you have a time, when you go to work and you do this stuff, and when you go, you just buy grocery stuff, you stuck out on there, and it's kind of messy there. Let me see. Yeah, it's not really nice, so it's not really nice, so I don't want to let you see it on my other side. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, it's still very good. It's not smell, it's everything perfect. It's still perfect. It's except this time. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.